Welcome to WorkforceVisas, trusted automation for immigration lawyers, a place where lawyers, employers, and beneficiaries all have tailored accounts to simplify the visa application process. All three parties are able to log in using secure authentication via our portal. Let's first log in as a company HR representative. In the employer dashboard, we can create new applications here, and right now we have an application open for beneficiary Daniel Lee. An employer can view all labor condition agreements, they can view all existing applications, or they can manage their existing organization, where they can add team members and manage beneficiaries. We can invite or view an existing beneficiary. We'll now move to Daniel Lee, an existing beneficiary's view, to show how seamless it is to complete an H-1B application. Now we're on the beneficiary dashboard, and we can see the application that this beneficiary's employer created. Let's head into the application to complete it. The application process involves two main steps. First, you upload all your documents. All information required to complete this application will be extracted or derived from the documents uploaded by the beneficiary and pre-filled in the rest of the application. As you'll be able to see, all the relevant information has been extracted from the passport. And you can see from the highlights exactly where the information comes from. If anything changes, say an address or employment date or birthday, edits cascade through the system automatically, which you'll be able to see as Daniel continues through the guided application flow. Personal details are now correctly updated, travel history, application details, education, and prior employment. At the end of this process, he then finalizes, reviews, and submits the application. Both their employer and lawyer will be able to see that the beneficiary completed their part of the application. Now we head back to the employer's dashboard for the same application. Here you can see Daniel Lee's H-1B visa. Sarah Johnson has reviewed all extracted data from the company's documents that are relevant. The relevant details are then stored in our database to be used by the USCIS form complete. These intermediary steps 2 through 6 allow her to validate or change any outdated or incorrect data. She then submits the application, which officially sends it to the lawyer for review. This is the lawyer dashboard, where they can manage their law firm, add paralegals, and handle client relationships. Here we can see the same application form from the employer and the beneficiary, Daniel Lee. Let's head in and review and complete the application. On this review panel, the lawyer is able to holistically see every piece of the application and has immediate access to the source of truth document for every piece of information on this application. Let's click on the name, for instance. You can see it's coming from the passport. Same thing with the phone number. You can see it's coming from the CV. Once approved, WorkforceVisas generates the completed I-129 packet, perfectly USCIS compliant, formatted for submission. WorkforceVisas streamlines employment-based visa preparation, automating document extraction, form completion, and multi-party collaboration in a single platform that attorneys can trust and feel confident in.